Hey guys, and welcome back to Mesha's Corner. So today we'll be making a bacon ranch potato salad. So let's get started. Alright, so these are my scallions right here. I'm going to chop these up really quickly. After this, I'm going to chop my bacon up. You could chop everything in the shapes or sizes that you prefer, but I prefer to chop them as small as possible. So everything could be nice and uniformed. So that's it. I don't want too much of this part in there. I like the green part for salads. Alright guys, so now we're going to work on the dressing for the potato salad. In your bowl, you're going to add your mayo. I'm pretty much eyeballing here. Let's see, make sure I have enough. That's probably about a half a cup. I'm going to use stone ground mustard. That's what I have. I only use Dijon when I make my salads anyway, but you can use the mustard that you prefer in your salad. Then I'm going to add my pickles. These are Simply Relish. I got this from the Kroger supermarket. And they're sweet. If you have plain regular relish, you can use that too. The ingredients are definitely interchangeable. It's not that serious. It's just dressing. So then you're going to take your ranch packet. I'm using this one, the ranch packet. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. This was also found in the Kroger supermarket. I'm not going to add salt because I want to make sure my dressing is good, because the ranch has sodium in it. So you want to be careful with that. Then I'm going to add some pepper. I know this looks like a little bit, but I'm not making a lot of potato salad, as you will see in a minute. Then you're going to add your lemon juice. Cut side up so you get no seeds. Make sure you wash all your fruits and vegetables before you use them. I might use the other half after I taste it, but I want to mix this up really good and taste it first. And now we're going to put it all together. This looks good. Alright guys, so I have my potatoes here. This is about 1.5 pounds of potatoes. Well, 2 large potatoes is what I used here. I'm going to add my peppers and my scallions. I'm going to add my bacon. All of it. I'm going to add my eggs. I don't think I want to add all this egg. I even salt and pepper my eggs. Altogether, I boiled 5 eggs, but I think I only used 3 down in here because it looks like a lot. Then you're going to take your dressing. I'm definitely going down in here with all of my dressing. It's so good. Like, when y'all was going to give me the tea and let me know that that ranch was the truth. This is my first time using it, but I think I've seen a few other people use it before. And y'all just didn't give me the tea, huh? Alright, so I'm going to toss this. Don't mix it like you're mixing lemonade or Kool-Aid. You want to fold. Don't overcook your potatoes, guys. We want potato salad, not mashed potatoes. Not loaded mashed potatoes. Look how good that looks. Alright, so I'm going to plate this up and let you guys see what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is what my potato salad looks like. It's nice and fresh. It's, you know, it's bright. All fresh ingredients. It smells good. And now I'm about to taste it. So, let's see. I'm going to try to get a little bit of everything. I don't want to play in it too much though. Alright, I got a piece of, okay, so let me see if this could focus so y'all could see. Alright. Y'all been holding out. Y'all been holding out from your girl. I'm never making potato salad again without the ranch packet. This is probably some of the best potato salad I've ever made in my life. Seriously. And yeah, I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you do, tag me and let me know what you think. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for all the shares. And I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Okay, guys. Bye. I want some more. Mm, 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 mm.